car wash. I got a couple of cans of engine degreaser. Had to go get me some bills so I could get me some change. Boy, that one's putting out, ain't it? There's old shorty over there. Engine is exposed right now. It's getting warm. I'm gonna turn it off, let her sit for a few, and I'm gonna put some gunk on it, 2 cans worth. See what we can do about all this oil and whatnot. All right, so it was a steamy, stinking mess, but 2 cans of gunk. A little more manageable now, man. I don't get so dang dirty. Still a little wet back there. My vacuumed out. But let's look at the other side. Yeah, I need to fix this leaky oil pressure sensor. Yeah, she still needs a scrub a dub, but we got that first layer of gunk off. We'll continue on with that. Checking the alignment of these lights. I'm about 25 feet away from that wall. I don't see any stray high ones there. What do you think? It's definitely bright though. Alright, heck yeah. This is a Metal Blast Rust Dissolver Surface Conditioner Rust Bullet. Removes, cleans, etches metal, eliminates extensive surface prep. Okay, so got my floorboard soaked. Try to insert some pictures here to show you what it was like before I treated it. So it says 2 to 20 minutes. I mean, man, just from looking at it, it looks like it's already doing something. So spray a couple more dashes here. A couple places I missed. I did replace my headlight switch. Yeah, I know, spraying water all over it. Yeah, the stuff is caustic. Definitely make sure you're in a ventilated area. Check in a minute when I'm wiping it up and see what we look like. So, I've been going after it a bit with this, just by hand. Make a little progress. Making progress. As you can see, it's incredibly corroded down here. But we're getting after it. We're getting after it. A little bit at a time.
It's smashed in there now.
Yeah.
And I found them. I got one more of these too. I forgot I had these on my, but they're broke.
Yeah, that's,
see how that's
the ticket. That's much better.
Yeah.
Say hey, guys.
Hey, what's going on?
So 85% of the water that's coming into it right now is actually coming from this gasket being bad. As you can see, it's very old and cracked. Yeah, primarily. And see here, when they put those aftermarket mirrors on, they kind of breached the gasket. So probably do something else about these mirrors. They're super handy, but yeah, so working on scraping and pulling this bad boy off of here. To be continued. Manual on that, because as I was working my way around, breaking it loose, the seam for it right here was up on the top surface, and that just seems like that's not a good idea when you're trying to prevent water flow. It seems like the seam should meet up somewhere on the bottom. Know what I mean? We'll check the manual. If you recall, a few months back, I was talking about how this door was filling up with water, And I was maybe gonna have to drill some holes. Well, as I was taking this seal off, I found the weep holes. There's one there, see that? And there's one there. Now, there's a bunch of mud and stuff down in here. I need a vacuum. But yeah, that's why I was filling up, because these weep holes are blocked off. I was going to drill holes there, but as you can see, that doesn't really make sense. Anyway, more odds and ends here. He's got the bolts that we need to secure the doghouse, and eventually just wanting to get some quick disconnects. But in the meantime, just making sure we got the right threads, bits, and all that, bolt size. Here, we've got some brand new pole handle armrest thingamadoos. That's the wrong side. Anyway, there's one. That's secured. Now I don't have to pull on my freaking door frame to get the door open. Of course, we'll be putting a panel on here. Let's see, the door levels in there. Cool. Yeah, it's cold out here. Going in for a while.